1221 39th Avenue East. This is pulling back from the exterior clean out. We're upstream into the house side. As you can see, the line is pretty deteriorated. We got as many of the roots out as we can, which is pretty much all of them, but yeah, we might have a project manager come check this one out just to be sure the pipe's not on its last leg here, which it kind of looks like it is.